This word is pronounced recipe, recipe. So we have 3 syllables, recipe. We start with the R sound, R, then we go into the short E, re. This is like the beginning of the word rest or wrench or the word red. And then the next part, recipe. If you say it slowly, we get a si sound. However, when we say recipe quick, we end up getting the schwa sound instead, sort of that sound, the really lazy, relaxed sound. If you want to learn more about the schwa sound, go ahead and click on this video where I talk about what the schwa is. Basically, it's a really lazy version of the short U sound, and then the last syllable is P, like the letter P. Or if you go to the restroom, you need to take a pee. Recipe. My favorite recipe in February is tiramisu. I really enjoy making tiramisu for Valentine's Day. And currently, my favorite holiday recipe is actually a drink recipe. It's a Swedish drink called glögg, and I'm most certainly not pronouncing that correctly because that's not English, that's Swedish, and I don't speak Swedish. What's your favorite recipe? Let me know in the comments below.